Two half bags instead of one big bag.
Don't. No. That's Mama's. That's Mama's. No. No. That's Mommy's. Ah. Can you talk a little bit more? Hey. You tell me a story, Ginny?
Mary, I'm going to run to the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Ginny. Well, you don't need to see it right now. Hey, Ginny. Look at Mommy. Oh, you gonna take a little nap? Good night. You like that carpet, don't you? Yeah. I know, it's so soft. What? What? Your teeth are freezing? Your cheeks? Oh, your cheeks like it? Oh, okay. What's Ginny doing? She's rolling. What is she rolling for? I guess. Where's she? Uh-oh. Where are you going? Yeah. Hi. Hmm.